This is Jay Cooper, formerly Benjamin J. Cooper. This is a video of how I made the EUV laser technology for company ASML in America. ASML is the only American company that makes computer chips for cars and computers. I had actually met someone who was filming the documentary who has a son who was in the RoboCop movie. They're investors in ASML, the original machinery. From there, I talked to the owner of the machines and the company, and I put my input into making the EUV laser. I was asked to invest in the EUV machine, the ASL chip making machine, and I did both. I invested in the chip making and the EUV laser. They'd asked for like large lumps of some money to be a part owner of the machine. I opted to buy the machine for $40,000 and they refused to do that for me. So instead I offered to use my inventions and my brain to make the technology to improve it. So that would give me entitlement of a share in the company, which I did, and I've made the EUV laser, which is a laser that goes through magnifying glasses and mirrors to use light sources and lasers to embed and imprint chips for computer chips. The original laser they made was just a handheld, looks like a hose, and they just go up by hand with a laser. It was a very, very slow process, like one by one the computer chips had to be made. Since I made that, the machine just goes straight through a conveyor belt and the light embeds on the chips. And I'd also put through a request to make the nodes smaller so they could fit more nodes on it to make the chip faster. And this resulted in layered chips, like higher levels, like a building. So there's more information could be fit onto a chip. But also that meant the RAM increased from SD3 to DDR4 RAM. So DDR4 SDRAM was invented by myself as well during this process. So that's two inventions. So the laser is now in full production since last year, the EUV laser 2023. So that means I'm owed a lot of money coming in now currently. That's why I've been contacting ASML for my share of the company technology for this machine. That's the only chip making machine in the United States. They do sell them. They used to be much cheaper, but now they're much more expensive. They're a direct competition to China, and I have other people I know in China who make similar technology that I had to ask to come and help ASML to help build these machines and train them in other areas they weren't trained in. So ASML can become a leader in the market and maintain its leadership in the market against China, Russia, and other people, so other countries that are like powerful countries and other people who are leaders and things like this. So they can maintain ASML from me, from myself, from my invention. So this is a short video of how I did it. So the laser looks like a purple laser in an ASML video, which is quite nice. It's a beautiful video that they showcase the invention on the internet, and you can watch it on YouTube. So if you type in ASML and then you go to the website and you look at the laser technology, type in EUV laser and they'll find the technology. And right now they're building computer chips every day for smart cars and computer chips for these high-end computers, like Hewlett-Packard, Acer, different brands. Computer chips for mobile phones, these things. So it's a very valuable piece of technology that I've invented, and that's a short video about that, and I'll try and put some links in there.